Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious French toast step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 4 slices of thick bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Have a shallow dish ready for dipping and a large non-stick pan for cooking. This simple recipe is perfect for a delightful breakfast. Now let's create the flavorful custard. In your shallow dish, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until thoroughly combined. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a small pinch of salt to the mixture. Stir everything well to ensure the batter is smooth and consistent. This perfectly blended custard is key to achieving that rich, eggy flavor in your French toast. With your custard ready, it's time to dip and cook. Take each slice of bread and immerse it in the egg mixture for about 10 to 15 seconds per side, allowing it to soak up the flavor. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the soaked bread in the hot pan and cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's warm. There are so many wonderful ways to top your creation. Consider a drizzle of rich maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or a generous helping of fresh berries and whipped cream. This delightful breakfast or brunch treat is perfect for sharing with family and friends. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.